Are you sure?
Yeah, I feel much better.
What about the headaches?
Everything is fine.
Okay.
When can I go home?
I brought you good news. So the doctor said you'll be discharged, God willing, tomorrow. Yes, so finally, you want to go home that bad? I know. I'll help you pack then. After my shift tomorrow, then I'll take you home. That's if you're okay. You're not fit enough to go.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Of course, I love that. I'd love to go home with you.
I'll take you home then.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah,
Do you have somebody to attend to? You can just sit and talk for a while.
I'm working.
Yes, you are, but I don't know if at least let your supervisor call you first.
Come on. I don't have to let him call me before.
Alright, I'll wait for tomorrow then.
Okay then.
Just gonna give you a peck.
Be safe. Do you need anything?
No, you just wait for maybe your supervisor to call you first.
I'm on duty. I have to be outside.
Okay, I won't be selfish. Huh?
You shouldn't be.
Tomorrow is not far away.
You need anything?
How do I even call you if I need something? Can you come back in like 20 minutes?
What do you need in 20 minutes?
I don't know now. I'll know by then.
Alright then. I'll be back. Yeah.
Okay, take care.
You too. Let me just get the pillows. So. Can I do?
No, I'll only go inside. I'll go inside.
Show me how mountain to fight for us, for us. Show me a mountain to fight for us, for us, oh for us. Show me a mountain to fight for us. Whoa.
But tell me, can you blame me for wanting to have a piece of you at work?
At my workplace? Come on.
That's what's going to make it fun. I don't know, suddenly I feel strong. I feel like back to life, back to normal. Get some strength from someone. What strength did you transfer to me?
Spider-Man's
powers. So I can start seeing my webs, all over. But hey, seriously, thank you. Thank you for everything. Like, it has been tough,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You just got out of my life. I couldn't call you. I couldn't text you. I just couldn't reach you. You wonder how I've been surviving all this while.
You still survived.
So I guess the accident was for a good cause. Huh?
Come on.
That's dark humor.
What's your time?
I don't think you need a time for anything. I'm speaking. Let me finish. Let me finish my statement with my point. I'm not done. I need to get home. I'll take you home. Just let me finish.
You need to get home on time.
I'll take you home.
Can you check the time for me, please?
So I said, It left me in a dark hole, and I found my way out. Or you helped me out.
Yeah.
After the accident. No. After the accident, you saved me.
I need to know what time it is.
Okay. It's just 2.
2, come on. I need to get home. Yes. Come on.
Oh, yeah. You sure you want to go?
Let me get home, please.
I know you have to go, but do you want to go?
The sun is behind the clouds. Only you can make me feel this way. You make my whole world go round.
Cedric? Hey! My God. Cedric! Cedric, it was in out here. What about fee? It's Mimra. Mate, what do you mean? Some more about this. Cedric! Mrs. Sam Waba Meba. Matuda Meba. Meba.
Hey, Naya.
Hey.
Naya, watch it.
Hey. Cedric got discharged this afternoon. Tonight I had to take him home and make sure he's okay before I come back.
Cedric. Hey. I'm going for that, so say. And then what are you doing? You're learning. Hey,
I was doing my job. I don't pay Naso. Huh?
Okay. We thank God. I mean, I'm happy you are back safely because, you know, it was getting late and I was getting worried. And behold, I came to meet the beautiful Naya here. Learning. Wow. Wow. God has really answered my prayers. Because
it was where? Where did you go? So where did you go? Yo!
Oh, like I didn't go anywhere. Honestly.
Where were you?
I was just.
Sure, God.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
What is it?
Should I get you boiled water? Or how do you want it? Warm or wet? With a pinch of salt?
Very hot with a crystal salt. Because I can't even lie down with you. Well. Hurry up. Oh.
I have penicillin in my bag.
I don't want that. I said I want crystal salt and hot water.
Yeah, that's a show. People want to be
You're crazy. You're crazy. You know you came home late. You came home late.
I told you I took him home.
Pretending like you're learning.
I took him home.
You took him home.
Nothing extra.
Nothing extra. You sure about that? You sure about that? See the way your legs is looking red. Oh, you meant to kiss them.
He's sick.
Sick. Sick. I remember when Munim Yari, or Muzade, or Munim Yari.
I was in uniform. Come on.
Make her me see I'm in red, but still. I'm so copy is really mommy.
And I'm my small baby call. Boy.
Naya. Naya, they want something.
Hey, Cedric! Cedric! So, Mebo, I'm in Chassis, say any reality. Cedric, say, and I down 4 fans, say, and I down 4 yard down 4. Me no none waha, and no cramming. So when you're more clan or quack. First, Ukudri man tonka. Secondly, a Juman see the mount, see I'm farmer, man tonka, before phone in San count. One swap, one perfume I'm found for me. Cedric, now so you day. Now so you day. Ube do you know, I'm in Madano, and what phone our friends so what me. Cedric, I'm really disappointed in you. No, me to make a talk. Cedric, me to make a talk. Because the thing when you do me, they pay me.
Why you just bed wake up and see the office or
I tell them I offer me. No man done offer me. Cedric, see the reality.
oh Nana, but tell me say, you know what happened?
No, okra do okwa no. Ka perform. So phone na say ah, probi phone craft from so OG. Because see anything na SEO. Eduma na chance me chance here.
Charlie, better than just say I dey sit your body. You need to me. Make a talk and I work on the way. I'm come there. Now go try.
Count it.
Oh, dear, you don't go listen to that.
Count it.
I go meet my man. Me the first thing I see, in house. I go reach the house where I had stand. Say, you carry me come here. I did doubt say, and then our movement now can go short because you say they take 4,000 man. You don't do who I die or do call me. I come say.
Like how?
Well, some na make an own thing now. Fair. We go the place where I see the thing they talk no. It be lie. The thing be scam. We go the people they talk say I for pay $1,000 before then go start my documentation. I know they understand. Then go give me some coin. See.
I don't want to apply with an
Just say me name full scam. Also, and I make sure say me go who feel now where I take this. You know this guy they have to something. Where we don't get confusion. I say at the left. I say at the left. At the top is by God's grace at the situation. You know say I go get accident.
Hey!
You are the tell you something. Oh, about giddy. You can't shout to the complaint. Who him there to me? I go get accident. Now at least make a boss to bring. No be the accident self with the boss. Listen what the boss do. I get the accident, me I go on cause I don't know how the accident self happen because your man make a vex at the top.
So what the boss do?
I reached downstairs. Yeah, I can't remember. I buy taxi night by a station. Where the thing happen for there. See, I wake up for hospital. Hospital now, the day I'm in it and you know who I see. You know the first person who I see. Do you know who the first person I saw was? Guess. If I give you 10 chances, you know if you guess the person.
I go figures.
Yes.
You saw what?
Now I'm in the accident time. You can't time I'm in it or hospital. You know if you guess, bro. I saw Naya. Naya no be visitor. Naya be nurse. Naya be staff nurse. They wear them and uniform for them. Naya we where they watch me.
For the hospital inside.
Naya now show me I'm telling you.
Like seriously?
Bro, the past 1 week has been something else. One thing I can wait for you. I wake you up, you can't fight me. You don't know what I'm going to do.
Wow.
Naya. And guess what? You carry me come out. Don't live here. So they come talk about it. And do that. See how I'm
Cedric, you are my boy. See, right? You are now a hard nigga. Cedric, you are now becoming a savage, a trenchical, a gangster. I mean, you are now becoming a gangster on duty.
So on duty.
This be what I like about you. But then you know me fast na me. We can't go see when the accident happened or you not die.
Charlie, bro.
At least, Cedric, I was worried. At least, me and you now, we are more than friends. We are family now, we are brothers. You should have at least found some small cell phone Call me and let me know what's going on.
Now, and I make
But I got you now.
You understand? Everything
got you
happened
now.
Quick.
It's not your fault.
Hospital, so I check one.
So what's going on now? Like, I hope everything is fine.
Oh, yeah,
But concerning your health, everything is okay.
Oh yeah, I'm better. I'm far better now, bro.
Cedric,
strength today I take do play match.
Be a one year accident man's in you. What do you buy swag bam? Cedric!
Oh, I'm
happy for you.
You know that already.
You be so easy. And I'm going to go to $1,000,
$1,000. In there, you if the taxi where the park for the house there. Me could do if your taxi now park with you. Some house view. What's me major $1,000 now? You find it then.
I was supposed to escort you or I was supposed to accompany you.
So you go there like go beat them. And they can't see the way the confusion they do for them.
What they say,
Charlie.
God is good all the time.
Charlie, bro.
I was worried. I was gangsterly worried.
How are you doing?
Fine. Much better with you in my presence.
Are you always going to flirt with me?
When are you going to see it as a compliment?
How are you doing? Answer me properly.
I'm complimenting you and you seem to be as...
Thank you.
Okay.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Much
Good
better.
to hear.
How are you?
I'm doing fine too. So I was on my way to work and I decided to pass by, see how you're doing. You look good.
I should be telling you that. You look
In
really
this
good.
uniform?
Yeah.
No.
You look
Cute. Since you're fine, I'll bounce.
No.
Okay.
You want to go now?
I have to go now. That's how you should put it.
I asked you, do you want to go? Or do you want to go because you have to go? Or you want to go because you want to go?
I have to go.
That's fine.
Let's see.
Okay.
What is it again?
About what I said yesterday. I mean, I can understand if you want me to give you time, but I feel whole with you in my life again, so. And I'm serious about it. Don't let this slide. Don't let this go. Because I believe in this. I think if we give it a good try now, something positive will come out of it. That's what I feel.
You give me some time to think about it. Yeah. There's no rush things. Yeah.
I mean, that's fine. So long as I'll be seeing you and...
I came here to check on you. That's it.
And you do that again, won't you?
It depends on my mood.
Thanks for coming. And like I'm saying, something positive would come out of it, I'm sure. Don't you think so?
I need to get going here. I'm late for work.
I mean, that's fine, but I mean, so long as I'll be seeing you, I'm okay.
Even when the sun
Take care.
is behind the clouds, only you can make me feel this way. You make my